1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. Follow. 5, 6, 7. We're going to give her a walk to 1.5 left. Open up on 1. Left arm's leading. Right arm drapes. 2. So now the left arm's going to hammerlock as the right hand turns over the head. 3. We're going to follow her on 5. Flick the right hand behind the back. 6. Switch the hand. 7. So now I'm going to open up on 1. Lead her forward. 1. Lead her forward 2. I'm going to start unwinding her on 3. 3. On 5, as she completes the turn, I'm going to grab the right hand behind the back. 5. I'm going to make her step forward on 6. So now I'm going to misdirect her the other way. I'm going to step back with my right leg, bringing the right hand down. 7. So now I'm going to come forward on 1. I'm going to walk under my hand, turn to the left. 2. So now on 3, the left hand is going to give her a right turn. 3. Over the head. It's going to complete it on 5 as we switch it into our right hand. And we're going to back turn. 6, 7. Start getting up the slide. So we're going to go back to back right away on 1. 1, 2. I'm going to push through with the right hand to turn her. 3. I'm going to follow 360. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk through 1.5 left. Forward on 1. Forward on 2. Turn 3, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going to do an inside turn. Forward 1, 2. Turn 3, 5. We're going to go forward on 6. And then step forward on 7 as we turn to the right. We're going to start walking forward on 1. Start turning to the right on 2. Turn on 3, 5, 6, 7. 1.5 left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross our lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.